you cross the street, you must check the traffic lights. A red light means stop.
Stop!
A yellow light means yield.
Yield!
Green is the best way to go.
Whenever you cross the street, you must check for cars. Take your time, look left, right. Take your time, look left, right. Wait for the green light. Ready now, let's go! Yeah!
Hi! We're back again with me, Teacher Sharifah for English. Do you enjoy singing the song? Now it's time for exercise. Let's go. Okay. Circle the correct answer. For example, the first picture is traffic light. Traffic light. Circle the word traffic light. Well done. Okay. Do you get it? Good. I hope you can complete this task today together with your parents. Bye. See you next time and take care.